Hey guys, welcome to Delft Stack. This is how to join Messenger rooms. So guys, I am going to show you how to join the Messenger rooms in this video. First, just simply go ahead and open up the Messenger application into your device. Now, to start a room, of course, you have to start a call. So I'm going to go to one of my groups that I have. And now, for example, I'm going to go start a call on the top right corner of the screen. Now, here on the call, just simply wait for it to be loaded up. And now, from here, guys, you will have an option over here on the top right corner, three dots. So go ahead and tap on it. And now from here, as you can see, you will have an option over here, invite. So tap on the invite. And guys, remember that to join the messenger rooms, you have to contact the people from the call, or you can just simply chat on the group that you want to join in, or you could just simply go ahead and let them have your name over here, or they could search it and select call over here. Now, what you could try to do as well, when I close the call, from here, there is still ongoing call over here. To join a messenger room, as you can see on the top right corner, you will have the join icon as well, and you can join the call. And there you go. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.